Hello, my friend. Thank you so much for purchasing my Inspirational Sketches card class. I am so proud of this class. I've really enjoyed putting it together in a different tutorial format than what I've ordinarily done, and creating the cards and the videos for each project was just so much fun. I really enjoyed it. So I'm really hoping that you have as much fun as I've had making these cards using the masking technique and watercoloring with inks. In this card class, I of course feature the Inspirational Sketches stamp set, as well as the Encircled by Nature bundle. Do you have to use these for these cards? No, you don't, but you can use what you have at home. Improvise, use different circle dies, use different stamps, different colors. Those of you who have purchased the card kits, you will have everything pre-cut in your card kit. Everything's ready to stamp and assemble. You can use your Stampin' Up markers for the watercoloring. Just scribble a little bit of your marker onto a clear block. You can use the reinkers, the ink refills, or you can use the Stampin' pads. And I'm going to show you how to use each one of those with the water painters for water painting in this class. Watercoloring with inks is one of my very favorite ways to color stamp images. When you're watercoloring, you of course want to use a StazOn ink pad so that the outline doesn't bleed. And I really thoroughly enjoyed putting this card class together for you guys. There's a lot of time and a lot of love in this class. So here you go, Inspirational Sketches card class with a matching gift box. Enjoy and happy stamping.